This is Corne from Refuelway Community Project. Hello to all our Refuelway friends out there. As you guys know, 15 November 2015 is the Momentum 94/7 Cycle Challenge. We want you to ride for us. We're teaming up with No One in Need, also a great organization, and we're asking you guys to ride for a great cause this year. Go to our website, refuelway.org. All the information is on there, all the details that you need, and then enter as normal. That's step 1. Step 2 is register that you will be riding for us as a charity, and then step 3, watch your inbox for more details. Everything is on our website. We are stoked. We want to encourage you to do this, and from me and my friend, surprise. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.